In this video, you'll learn how to earn up to 25 USDT with Binance's Crypto Red packet. By following these steps, you'll be able to access promotions and secure potential rewards through participation in events. Begin by navigating to the Binance website or opening the Binance app on your device. Once there, sign in to your account using your credentials. After logging in, locate the sections labeled Rewards, Pay, or Events in the main menu. Within these sections, search for promotions specifically related to Crypto Red packet. Keep in mind that eligibility for these promotions may depend on your region and the specific rules of the campaign. It is important to review the participation requirements carefully to ensure you qualify, as some events may be time sensitive. Once you confirm that the Crypto Red packet promotion is available to you, proceed to participate in the event. Follow the on-screen instructions provided, which may include actions such as sharing the promotion on social media or claiming rewards directly. If the event requires entering specific codes, make sure to input them accurately. Adhering to the event rules is crucial, as violating them could disqualify you from receiving rewards. After completing the necessary actions, check for any confirmation messages that indicate a successful claim status, as this step is essential for securing your potential rewards. After participating, it is time to check your wallet or the rewards section within your Binance account to see if the USDT has been credited. Look for any notifications or updates regarding the rewards you earned. It's also essential to review the usage conditions associated with these rewards, as there may be specific criteria for how you can utilize the USDT. This cryptocurrency can typically be used for trading or other eligible activities within the Binance platform. Make a note of any expiry dates associated with your rewards to avoid losing them, and keep transaction details readily available in case you need to reference them later. If you find that the rewards do not appear in your account after the expected time, reach out to Binance support for assistance. They can help resolve any issues related to your participation or the rewards credited to your account. Confirming your earnings is crucial, as it ensures that you can fully take advantage of the benefits offered through the Crypto Red packet promotions. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.